Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a lot of requests to talk about my favorite products, so today's video is going to be about products that I use that I think you guys would like too. Also, all of these products in my stash are super affordable, so if you guys want to go check them out, I'll link them in my description box below. But without further ado guys, let's get into the video. So the first product is something that you guys are familiar with from my other videos. It's going to be the Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner. The reason why I like using this product so much is because it's one of my go-tos. I use this for work, I use it as a conditioner, I use it as a leave-in conditioner, and for people that don't like their curls to be hard, it's the best product to use because it keeps your hair soft while maintaining your curls and really defining them, and also it tames your frizz. Alright guys, so I give this a rating of 9 out of 10. The next product is going to be one of my other favorite conditioners, and that's going to be the Nature Mothers Naturals Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter. The reason why I like using this conditioner so much is because it's really curl defining. It keeps my big curls, I still have my bounce. It has a great smell, it doesn't make your hair hard, it keeps it soft just like the OGX. And this is just a great conditioner to use. I rate this one a 9 out of 10. Alright guys, so the third product I have for you today is going to be the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This is one of the best shampoos I've ever used. I cut my hair 2 months ago when I just started using this, only because my hair was a little damaged and I wanted to grow it out more healthy, so I got a trim. And I've been using this shampoo right here. My hair's been growing fast and healthy. So I think this is gonna be one of my go-to shampoos for a while. The only thing I would say about this shampoo is that it smells heavily of clay, but I rate this shampoo a 9 out of 10. So the fourth product is going to be the Texture ID Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. So this multi-styling foam, my sister actually used it on me about 3 months ago and I never knew about it. First time I used it, I actually really liked it only because it made my curls look really nice and defined. Also on the bottom of the bottle, it shows you what your hair type will look like using this product. I rate this product about an 8 out of 10. Alright guys, the fifth item is going to be the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Style Milk. So I also just started using this product about 2 months ago. It makes my hair extra soft, it gets rid of all the frizz. I never have frizz when I use this. It just really works in my hair and I feel like it's really good for all hair types. So I give this a 10 out of 10. The next product is going to be the Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Texture Spray. So I only use this product when I'm going to the gym or the track, only because it keeps your hair moisturized. It really helps with holding your hair, so if you did do your hair in the morning, you don't want to mess it up. It holds your hair in place. Also, this product gives you really nice texture. Say you put in your leave-in, you put some gel on it and it's looking dry, you put a little oil and it's still looking, not the way that you want it to look. If you spray this on your hair, I guarantee that you'll get that shine and that texture that you do want. So honestly, I'd give this a 10 out of 10. So for the last product is going to be the best product that I've been using since I was a kid, and that is going to be the Eco Styler Crystal Gel. So I've been using this product as a kid. It's probably one of the best gels I've ever used in my life. It defines your hair, it doesn't leave any flakes, and your hair never itches no matter how long you have it in. And the best thing about this gel and all the products that I used in this video is that it works with all hair types. So this gel, I will never stop using it. It always works in my hair, there's no need to change it, and I give this gel 100 out of 10. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to demonstrate using these products individually. So let's start with the coconut curls. Alright guys, so that's the end of the process. As you can see, in every product that I used, it worked extremely good, and I'm sure it'll work really good in your hair too. All these products are super affordable, so you don't have to worry about prices. I'm not gonna make you guys go out there and buy something for $20. It's not that much, trust me. But let me know in the comments which product you guys think look the best to my hair. But I hope you guys go ahead and try this out on your own. But that's it guys, that's the end of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.